Welcome to Islamabad Bar Association. How to pay annual fee online. Open www.iba.org.pk. Then click at Pay Dues button, present at home page. At next page, enter your CNIC number or Bar Association ID. Or enter your name in specified box, then click at Search button present in front of box. At next page you will find your name along with your father's name. Click at Profile button present in green color in front of your name. At Profile page, you will again see your name and father's name along with payment details. Click at Pay Now button, present in black color, at the middle of the page. Enter your easypaisa mobile account number. You can also enter your email address to get your payment receipt at your email address, but it is not mandatory. You can proceed without an email address. After entering your easypaisa mobile account number, click at Pay Now button, present in green color. Enter 5 digits easypaisa account PIN code to complete your transaction. On entering PIN code, your payment will be transferred to association's bank account and your annual dues will automatically be updated.